how to improve voice typing accuracy in Google Docs. A lot of people use voice typing in Google Docs, but it's very slow, it's laggy, and there is a delay. And this is really frustrating, and in this video, we'll see how to fix it. So first thing that you want to go and check out is your internet speed. Search internet speed on Google and go to one of these websites, check if your internet speed is good enough or not. And not only that, the next thing that you can do in order to make your browser faster, go to this tab right here, which says extension on the top right corner. Click on it and disable all these extensions that you're using with Chrome. They make your browser slow. So this can go and eliminate the delay that you're getting while using voice typing. And if all these doesn't work, you can open up settings in Google Chrome. How to open settings? Simply click on these three dots, which is on the top right corner, and click on settings. It will open these settings. Inside settings, go to privacy and security, delete browsing data. Here you can deselect the browsing history, delete these three, and it will make your browser faster, and it will fix the delay in your Google Docs, the voice typing that you're trying to use. So I hope you found this video helpful. I'll see you guys in the next video. Subscribe to the channel.